আজকে আপনাদের কাছে নিয়ে এসেছি একটা ভিন্ন স্বাদের হরর স্টোরিটা খুবই ভালো। আপনারা শুনে আশা করি মজাই পাবেন।
ফ্রাইডে সাসপেন্স। শুধুমাত্র মেডিটা লেজেন্ড ওয়াইটি চ্যানেলে
রাত 9টায় আসবে গল্পের ধারা, রহস্য, প্রেম আর হাসির খেলা সারা।
So the story is room number 404, the hostel of horrors.
Have you ever entered a room that gave you chills, not because of ghost, but because of the smell of old socks and leftover Maggie? Welcome to Chandramukhi Boys Hostel, where horror meets Halloween bulbs and ghosts have opinions on Wi-Fi speeds. Tonight, I will take you into the haunted room. Room number 404. But be warned, it's a story that will make you scream. Four friends, Raju, Bunty, Sameer and Guddu, decided one drunken night to challenge the ghost of room number 404 because apparently courage rhymes with stupidity.
You know someone like that? Type their name in comments.
They marched into the room at midnight armed with one garlic necklace which Raju wore because he thought it smells like pickle, a torch with half-dead batteries, and Guddu's lucky underwear which he forgot to wear. It's 12:03 a.m. The air turned cold, the candle flame danced, and then the cupboard cracked.
Who dares to enter this room?
A voice thundered. Samir dropped his phone, Bunty dropped his courage, and Raju, he dropped gas. Suddenly the cupboard burst open and there stood a ghost in boxer's short, scratching his head.
I am Pranav.
He said,
I died in 2009. Thermodynamics exam. Made born in hell.
relatable, isn't it?
Drop a fire in the comments if the subject ever killed your soul.
Ghost Pranav wasn't scary. He was tired. Tired of engineering, tired of people screaming at his entry, and tired of finding broken slippers under his haunted bed.
I just want socks.
He mumbled.
Everyone steals mine.
Raju offered a stale biscuit, Bunty asked for a selfie, and Sameer, of course, flirted.
with those eyes, you must have been handsome in life.
He winked. The ghost replied,
I was, but now I am dead. Even my Tinder account doesn't work.
Feel that sadness. Press F to pay respect. To let them go, Pranav the ghost challenged them.
3 ducks. With them, and I will bless this room forever. Lose, and you will become the next resident.
And that's when the real horror began. Bunty entered the hostel bathroom at 12:30 a.m. Torchlight flickering, water dripping, and it was The eternal wet towel, mysterious, damp, forever on the floor. He heard a whisper.
That towel has been here since 1998.
Bunty screamed. The towel didn't move, it never does. He ran out crying. I saw the day. It had detergent stains. Raju, brave and bloated, had to cook Maggie in the haunted kitchen. He lit the stove, the flame flickered, a cat starred, not blinking. Then came the true terror. The warden, sleepwalking in a nightie, chanting,
No gas after 10. No gas after 10. No gas after 10.
Raju whispered, Want a bite? She took a spoonful, nodded like a boss, and moonwalked out. Mission successful. Now that's what we call hostel diplomacy. Samir had to swipe right on spookyshadi.com. He matched with Bhutni with brains, a ghost who still haunted her IIT lab. Their chat.
You alive?
Barely, baby.
Meet me in the graveyard disco at 2.
Oh, only if there's DJ Churel on the deck.
Now Samir fainted. Pranav declared,
That counts. He gave his soul and his phone password.
and so the boys posed all the test. Ghost Pranav smiled for the first time in years.
You are rare.
He said,
I like rare. This room is now yours.
From that night on, room 404 became the most legendary room in Chandramukhi hostel. Sometimes Pranav would appear just to chat or steal noodles. Samir stopped dating the dead. Bunty started a blog, Haunting with Hostel Boys. Guddu finally spoke and said, Let's invite a witch next. Suddenly the lights flickered. Wind howled, a woman's laugh echoed through the corridor. Everyone froze. The ghost face palmed. Ghost Pranav.
Great. You idiots just summoned my ex.
So, would you survive room 404 or would you run screaming from the wet towel? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this haunted ride, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because next week we are going to the cursed canteen where the ghost of the cook serves burnt samosas forever. Thanks for listening to room 404 Hostel of Horrors.
Friday suspense. শুধুমাত্র মেডিটা লেজেন্ড ওয়াইটি চ্যানেলে।